Good morning students. Today we are going to see 5th class term 2 English. Welcome back to the lesson The Boy Who Became King. So we have seen the first beginning of the story. Now we will continue the remaining story. So after Arthur when he passed the churchyard, there in the center was a sword stuck in an anvil. So next is on the stone were written these words, whoever pulls this sword out of the stone, he is the true king of the England. So on that stone some words were written. So what were the words? Whoever pulls this word out of the stone, he is the king of England. So here you can see this is the stone. So whoever removes or pulls the sword from the stone, he is the true king of England, was written on that stone. Arthur was so pleased to find a sword that he pulled it out without noticing or reading what was written on it. So Arthur, what he did, he was searching for sword, and he didn't read anything what was written on the stone, and he pulled the sword out. He rushed to give it to Sir Kay. So after pulling the sword out, he rushed to give to Sir Kay, who is the son of Sir Ector. When he told them where he had found the sword, nobody believed him. So when he told to Sir Kay about the incident about this sword, no one believed him. Let us return to the churchyard, said Sir Ector. So what Sir Ector did, let us return to the churchyard and we will see now. When Sir Ector saw the anvil and read what was written on it, he asked Arthur to put the sword back. So Sir Ector, what he did, he read what had written on the stone. So what had written on the stone, whoever pulls this sword out of the stone, he is the true king of England, was written on the stone. So after reading that, Sir Ector told to Arthur that you have to put the sword back into the stone. After Arthur put the sword back, Sir Ector asked Sir Kay to pull out the sword, but he could not. So after Arthur put the sword to the stone back, so what he did, Sir Ector said to Sir Kay that you have to pull out the sword, but after pulling the sword out, he could not pull the sword. Then he asked Arthur to pull it out. So again Sir Ector, what he did, he asked Arthur to pull it out. Arthur did it so easily. So what Arthur did, here you can see he is pulling out the sword from the stone easily. Sir Ector went to the Archbishop of Canterbury to tell him what had happened. Archbishop means main priest. The Archbishop invited all the knights to London and asked them to pull out the sword from the anvil. So what the Archbishop did, he invited all the knights of London and asked to pull out the sword from this anvil. None of the knights could pull out the sword, so no one is able to pull out the sword from the stone. Only young Arthur could do so. So only Arthur is pulling out the sword. Archbishop declared Arthur the king of England, and all the knights knelt down before him with respect. So Archbishop, main priest, what he did, he declared the Arthur as the king of England, and all the members bowed down before him with respect. They promised their loyalty and service to him. So they have promised Arthur to their loyalty and service to him. They have promised that they will do loyalty with him and they will do service to him. Soon Arthur was crowned the king. The king Arthur ruled well. So after that, Arthur was crowned and became the king, and he ruled well. So I hope you have understood this lesson. So your homework is you have to write these new words in your book. Thank you.